目前是当地8世纪现 COP30 的气候峰会，伫咧20个时就火烧赶紧是疏散。这嘛等于讲当地协商，而且真侪议题讨论拢搁去前着。即嘛火势是已经控制掉啊，加载是无人受伤。
现场的火势正大，顶头一个小破一空，烟一直冲出来。
Was probably electricity pain that happens, and it started the fire. In one, I think it was in the Italian part. Everybody was saying fire, and I couldn't see any exits. We worked so hard for this to happen.
官员讲，火发生伫个有上万人参观的南区入口附近一个国家典馆，是一个大布棚。火已经控制掉，无人受伤，人也疏散，现场伫咧落雨。
Due to the fire, I think the process will now stop for a while. We have to be on the schedule because most of the delegates will be leaving the Belém in the next days or 2 days.
到火迄当阵，各国部长正伫咧谈判，想要解决伫化石燃料、气候融资加牧业措施，大家无同的看法。这届2礼拜会议，剩无到48点钟就要结束。
How to close the ambition gap between what countries have pledged in their national plans and the 1.5-degree goal? What can they say about raising that collective effort? Can they put forward roadmaps on deforestation and on fossil fuel transitioning away?
气候资金也是这边主要的问题。讨论世界各国代表团是不是当为上善产的国家做上适当的调配？本来这话拢按算伫19进前要有共识，不过即马看起来袂赴啊。可因为这场大火，会场风险一直到暗时8点。主办国家巴西强调，大家也是会努力找共识，这对加速全球气候行动正重要。世界各国也具体执行这款承诺。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。